Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your YouTube channel monetization with AdSense step by step clearly. To update your YouTube channel monetization with AdSense, start by signing in to your YouTube account. Navigate to the YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once in the YouTube Studio, look for the monetization option in the left-hand menu. Click on Monetization to check your current monetization status. If eligible, you will see an option to enable monetization. Click on the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Next, link your AdSense account to your YouTube channel. If you don't have an AdSense account, you will need to create one by following the prompted link. Fill in the necessary information for your AdSense account. Once your AdSense account is created, return to the YouTube monetization settings. Select your newly created AdSense account from the options given. Continue following the steps provided by YouTube to finalize the linking process. Review your monetization settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Check that your channel complies with YouTube's monetization policies. After confirming compliance, submit your channel for review if necessary. Wait for YouTube to review your channel and notify you of your monetization status. Once approved, you can start earning revenue through ads on your channel. Keep an eye on your monetization dashboard for updates and insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.